Go.
Hey, my name is Matt Horton. For about 10 years or so, I had been experiencing pretty bad shoulder grinding from arthritis and playing football for years, and really kind of apprehensive about getting shoulder replacement, and had a few opinions, and found my way to Dr. Weber and his amazing team because I found some notes on the webs about shoulder resurfacing, and lo and behold, I was able to get the procedure done, and now not only do I have full range of motion and full strength back, but able to resume kind of an active lifestyle full of weightlifting and parenting, and it's just really exciting what Dr. Weber and Stephanie and his team were able to do. It's really transformational.